Hello and welcome to Coreform Cubit, advanced meshing for challenging simulations. Coreform Cubit provides a powerful automated wizard to make meshing fast and intuitive for new users and simpler geometries. In this tutorial, we will learn how to mesh a simple volume using the item wizard in the power tools. First, we'll need to import our CAD file to Cubit. Up here to File. I will just go to Recent Imports because I've done this recently, but you will need to go to Import and select it from your file directory. So we'll get the simple.sat. You can find this on the tutorials page where you found this video. So now we'll make sure we're in the Power Tools selection right here. Make sure we're in the Item Wizard, this icon right here. Then we'll go Set up the FEA model. For this, I'll just set the defaults, just like this. So now we can move on. We'll press Done. Then we'll go to Prepare Geometry, and we'll run our checked diagnostic. With Coreform Cubit's automated power tools, a lot of the meshing work is done for you. When you click Run Check Diagnostic like this, you can check to see if anything on the list is flagged as errors. In this case, there are no issues, and we can move on. Now we can enter the meshing geometry step. So we'll go down here, click Done, so we'll mesh the geometry. You can select the volume by clicking on it, like this. Click. We'll make sure that's highlighted. Then select it like this. Generate mesh. Congrats, you just generated your first mesh. Now we can move on to check the quality of the matrix, or the mesh, by pressing on the Validate Mesh Define Quality Metrics. Go down here to Done. Validate the mesh, define quality metrics. We'll go here. Normally you want to use scale Jacobian. Go here, check mesh quality, volume list. Then we'll go analyze quality. There you go. Now you can see the quality of the mesh you generated. Coreform Cubit highlights the areas that could benefit from altering the FEA model and maybe changing the geometry to increase the mesh quality. If you need to make changes, you can simply go back to the Prepare Geometry step in the Power Tools. There you have it. Coreform Cubit's automated tools can help you generate a good quality mesh even when you're just beginning. More tutorials and videos are available at coreform.com.